Hello, it's 1962 Lone Star medallion, one of the rare boats of the Lone Star line. Lone Star. It has came with a 64 Evinrude Star Flight, and of course you got to have a backup motor because this thing half the time runs. So doing a little bit of interior work, 2 seats, and I use lawn chairs for the other passengers because if I don't want them sitting, I take their chairs. Nah, just joking. But anyway, 1962 Lone Star medallion. Need a ladder to get up in it. It is very, very, very deep-sided, very, very tall boat. Trailer, no good. One of the things I want to replace on it. And the motor, I want to replace it. The motor will be for sale on eBay here in the near future for, I don't know, probably little to nothing, because it drinks gas. But oh well. I just thought I'd share this with you to show you my 1962 Lone Star medallion.